Hey everyone, this is Chris over here at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all your Kirby vacuum repair needs. As you guys may or may not know, we are a Kirby Authorized Service Center, which means we deal with all the warranty issues as well as repair issues for all Kirby vacuums. It doesn't matter if you have any of the G series, all the way up to the brand new Avalier 2s. We service and fix all those vacuums and repair those. Typically, a lot of issues that we see is like the machine's not turning on, the button pops off for the drive, neutral and drive, which these are common issues that we see a lot. Burning smell, rollers not spinning, different things like that. A lot of these issues can be done relatively quickly, easily, and cost effectively. So if you're having an issue with your Kirby, don't panic. We can get it taken care of and repaired for you. Our repair process is pretty simple. There's no appointment needed. We're open 7 days a week. You just bring your vacuum in, let our technician take a look at it. Usually we can get things done in 1 to 2 days. We do offer same-day repairs. Given the fact that we may not have to order parts, we can usually do same-day repairs as well too. We offer Kirby overhaul services, which is a generalized service cleaning, fan replacement, belt replacement, roller replacement, and some other things that we do on the overhaul services. If you're having an issue, bring it into us. Again, like I said, we're open 7 days a week, Monday through Friday from 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, Sunday 11 to 5. And you can just bring your vacuum in, we'll get you the estimate. Once you approve the estimate that we give for the repair, we'll get the work done right away and get the vacuum back to you as quick and as easy as possible. If you have any questions, call us at 703-997-9292. You could also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to stay up to date with all the stuff that we got going on. Again, for all your vacuum cleaning needs here in the Northern Virginia area, come see us at AceVacuums and we'll help you out with whatever you got. Thanks, guys.